Please do not sneeze. Please do not sneeze. Please do not sneeze. Anina tells a story about a princess with a loud, funny sneeze. Is as in sneeze. E, 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 is in bed. E, is in bed. Her. E is in recipe. C, sunny, relief. Donkey. B, these. A is in bed. Cat. Is in her. Is in bed. Recipe. Sneeze. Beach. Sunny, relief. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Donkey. B, these. Bed. Cat. Her bed, where people looked cold. Anina was on the beach with Will and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Will had a recipe touch. He called. Might the people. Anina ran to cut the recipe. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. The children were lost. We can't see Mommy and Daddy, said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the lost children's hut. Yard. We will wait with you until your mommy comes, said Anina. Last children. Let me tell you a story, said Anina. In a far-up land, there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophie. The problem was he sneezed. She has a loud sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying funny things like Chessy Pit or Stinky Socks. Chimney sweep. People said Sophie was shouting at them. They did not like it. She called me Chessy Pit. The wind was cross with Sophie. You need better manners, she said. What a check. Mossy Tit. Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. Mossy Tit. Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. Handkerchief. Mossy Tit. Even the king was cross with Sophie. Tut tut, he said. You bad girl. Sophie sneezed harder and harder. I do not mean to be bad, said Sophie, but when I sneeze, people think I am shouting at them. Sophie was so unhappy that she ran off. She ran deep into the forest. but soon she was lost. She sat down on a bed of leaves. I will rest my head on these leaves, she said, and she soon fell fast asleep. She was asleep all night. To her relief, she did not sneeze at all. Sophie sat up with a start. A field mouse, an owl, and a donkey were looking at her. You must be the sneezing princess, said the little mouse. Yes, I am, said Sophie, but out here in the forest, I did not sneeze at all. People sneeze a lot, said the donkey. There is too much dust in their houses. Too much dust. The king and queen ran up. Sophie, said the king, we have found you. What a relief. We must get rid of the dirt. We must get rid of the dust. Just then, Charlie saw his mommy. Charlie, Lily, she said, I have found you. What a relief. We did like the story, said Lily. Did Sophie stop sneezing? What do you think? Asked Anina. Yes, if they did the dusting. Sneeze. Xin cảm ơn.